Planetary viewing is a cornerstone of amateur astronomy. Telescopes in the sub-$300 segment balance portability, ease of use, and image brightness enough to reveal lunar detail, planet cloud bands, and brighter planetary features under good skies. In this review, I test and compare 5 refractor. List number 1. Telescope 80mm aperture 600mm astronomical portable refracting telescope. Hexium's AZ8600 is an 80mm aperture refractor with a 600mm focal length, designed for quick setup and portability. It ships with 2 eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, a 3x Barlow to boost magnification, a 5x24 finder scope, a reflex finder, an adjustable aluminum tripod, wireless remote, and a carrying bag. The emphasis is on a no-tools, beginner-friendly experience with multi-coated optics and a lightweight total package under 7 pounds. At $94.99, this is positioned as a budget-friendly entry that still promises full multi-coated optics and a base level of magnification versatility. Performance-wise, the 80mm aperture provides modest light gathering, which is sufficient for the Moon's terminator, Jupiter's bands, and Saturn's disk in stable skies. The combination of a 2-eyepiece setup plus a 3x Barlow yields 24x and 60x native magnifications, and up to 72x or 180x with certain assumptions about eyepieces and Barlow usage. But it's important to manage exit pool and shake at higher zooms on the lightweight tripod. The included wireless remote and phone adapter enable quick image capture, though the short optical tube and fixed f6.7 design limit contrast and edge performance at higher powers. It's best used with the 25mm eyepiece for planetary observations at around 24x, and with the 10mm eyepiece for close-ups on the Moon when stability allows. List number 2. Telescope. MESA's 90mm 800mm focal length refractor expands aperture and light collection beyond the budget Hexium option. It ships with 2 eyepieces, 10mm and 25mm, a 3x Barlow, a sturdy adjustable steel tripod, 28 to 46 inches, a phone adapter, and a carry bag. The 90mm aperture combined with a longer 800mm focal length yields improved brightness and a bit more scale for planetary detail, making it a strong mid-range choice at $169.99. The optical tube is fully multi-coated, and the straight-through finder simplifies pointing for beginners. In practice, the 90mm aperture provides noticeably better lunar shading resolution and more comfortable planetary viewing than the 80mm option, with the 3x Barlow enabling up to 240x magnification if conditions permit. The tripod's height range supports a comfortable observing posture, and the inclusion of a phone adapter facilitates capturing moments for sharing. The practical downside is that at higher magnifications, the marginal gains depend on steadier skies and steadier hands. The Alt-Z mount, while user-friendly, may still exhibit some vibration under wind or touch. Overall, it's a capable, all-around starter telescope for enthusiasts who want more praiseworthy planetary views without venturing into premium pricing. List number 3. Diaphan Telescope. Diaphan's 90mm 800mm model mirrors the MEEZA form factor with robust stainless steel tripod and a 90mm objective, fully coated optics, and a 3x Barlow option along with 2 eyepieces. The 45-degree zenith mirror orientation helps with terrestrial viewing and makes it a flexible starter instrument for both sky and landscape observing. The included carry bag and phone adapter align with the same family of accessories designed to ease transport and social sharing. Performance-wise, this telescope emphasizes ease of use and beginner-friendly setup, typically ready in about 15 minutes. The 90mm aperture yields a meaningful brightness advantage over smaller 70 to 80mm units for lunar and planetary detail, while the 800mm focal length maintains reasonable magnification with the 10 and 25mm eyepieces plus Barlow. The upright orientation via the zenith mirror reduces neck strain during terrestrial use, which broadens its use case beyond astronomy to birdwatching or cityscape viewing. In practice, the stability of the stainless tripod combined with the manual focus will reward patient observers who optimize exposure and seeing conditions.
List number 4. G-Skyer Telescope. G-Skyer's AZ70400 is a compact, travel-friendly refractor with a 70mm aperture and 400mm focal length. It emphasizes portability with a lightweight design and a host of accessories: 2 eyepieces, a 3x Barlow, a reflex finder, a phone adapter, wireless remote, an adjustable tripod, and a carry bag. At under $97, it's the most affordable option in the comparison and is clearly aimed at kids and casual hobbyists seeking a simple introduction to stargazing. Performance-wise, the 70mm aperture limits light gathering, but for bright targets like the moon and bright planets under good skies, it remains usable. The 400mm focal length yields modest magnification, and the 3x Barlow helps push to mid-range magnification, while the wireless remote and phone integration encourage social sharing. The main strengths are portability and ease of use. The downsides include potential chromatic aberration and soft edges at higher powers due to the smaller aperture and optics at the budget end. It's best as a travel-ready companion or entry device for younger observers.
List number 5. WOS-PORTS's 90mm by 600mm model is a feature-rich option positioned at the premium end of this list within the sub-$300 range. It ships with 2 eyepieces, 25mm and 10mm, a 3x Barlow, a 45-degree diagonal, a reflex finder, a sturdy adjustable tripod 29 to 49 inches, a phone adapter, and a carry bag. It emphasizes a higher-rated user experience with a dedicated 1-year warranty and a solid emphasis on stable, easy viewing suitable for adults and beginners who want more performance without stepping to larger, more expensive kits. Performance-wise, the 90mm aperture combined with a 600mm focal length and fully coated lenses yields brighter planetary views with better lunar detail than smaller apertures. The 24 by 180x zoom range gives flexibility for lunar relief, Jupiter bands, and Saturn rings when seeing permits. The 45-degree diagonal and upright orientation help reduce neck strain, while the phone adapter supports quick sharing. From a usability perspective, the included tripod is stable for casual observing, and the packaging and 1-year warranty adds confidence for gift buyers or growing hobbyists. The trade-off is the absence of motorized tracking or advanced features found in higher-tier setups.